Now that. Who do you like in B5?
Beyonce. Sierra, J-Lo.
They're not in B5? Mom, who do you like in B5?
You like Shamar Moore.
He ain't
Yes, who do you like in B5?
Who do you like in B5?
What's the name of
Okay, who do I?
Girl play with what's the name of the girl play with Triple H? I mean not Triple H, but
Michelle Rodriguez.
Michelle Rodriguez.
Okay, who do I like from B5?
You like Dustin. You love Dustin. You love Dustin. You sleep Dustin. You smell Dustin, but you got Scarface all over your wall.
You love Dustin. And a Scarface blanket.
And who do you like from B5? Brianna.
Cardinal, I am truly dedicated, and that's why I have nothing of him.
Do it, you can hear the voice too?
Yeah.
Let me see. The end.